Hey guys, welcome back to the yet another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. I hope everyone is doing good. So as with due request, everyone has requested me to make a video on till what rank can you get an MDS seat in a government college. So in today's video I am going to talk about till what rank you will get government college, as if anyone wants to pursue MDS and wants a government seat, so this video is very helpful for them, because I am going to tell you that till what rank you will get MDS seat in a government college, and in last year what was the criteria and till what score it went for the government college. So let's begin today's video without wasting any time. As in the previous video I have already told you about how many colleges which have MDS seats are there and how many of them are private, how many of them are government. If anybody wants to go and visit it and watch that video, I will mention the link in my description so that you can watch it from there. So basically, as you can watch the number of link from there. So now coming on to the what was the cutoff mark last year till which it was like allocated to go for the government seat. So basically last year the percentile criteria for the journal was 50th percentile and the qualifying marks was 286. Then for the SC, ST, OBC and physically handicapped it was 40th percentile and marks was 250. And then for the unreserved physically handicapped the percentile was 45th and the marks was 268. So this was the criteria, but as the seats were not filling off, so the cutoff was reduced and the percentile for the journal category with the 50th percentile went to 31.065. that is, a person getting 220 marks out of 960 was termed as qualified. And then for the ST, SC, OBC and physically handicapped the percentile was 21.605 and the marks was 188, and for the unreserved physically handicapped person it was 26.065 percentile and marks was 204. So this was all about qualifying percentile and the marks. So basically the type of cutoff which are there is three. There will be all over cutoff, and then there will be 50% all India quota and 50% state quota will be there. So this was all about quota and the qualifying marks. So basically, as it is said that when you see a percentile rank will always show you the performance of the candidate in comparison to the other. Whereas if the marks is in percentage, the rank shows that how does the candidate has performed in the particular test. As you know, now the percentile form is there which works on for the qualifying criteria. So basically there are cases when you see that the two person can get a same marks. So how does this solidify? They will find a solution for these cutoff marks is that they will just see which person has given the maximum number of correct answer and which person, if by the maximum number of correct answer also the tie cases is not solved, then they will find it out by the date of birth. Now I will tell you what was the qualifying last rank till which the government seat was allocated. So basically in the journal category it went to rank number 230 till the government seat was allocated. Then for the scheduled caste people it was 1226, and for ST it was 2336, and for the OBC it was 226. That means till this rank the person was allocated a government seat. Not only this, as you can see that the qualifying percentage till which the person was getting a seat, it basically changes over year over. It is not like that if for the last year it was for the general category 230 rank the person was allocated a government colleges. It is not like that. It is follow up in the entire next year also. It may change depending on the number of person who are entering into the MDS counseling over there. It doesn't mean that if you have a rank of 600 600 and you come in the general category, that doesn't mean that you have low chances to get into a government colleges. It might be there that few people will apply for counseling. Like if you have a rank of 600 in a general category, there are chances that only 300 people apply for the counseling. So you have a chance to get, because merit will be again based on the number of person applying for the counseling. It is not like that if you qualify the exam you will definitely get a MDS seat. The second criteria is that you have to apply for the counseling, then the merit list will be made, and then you will be given the college of your choice, whatever you fill in the choice filling. So this was all about the last year category rank which was there. And then with the, as I will repeat that, for the general category the last rank which was given a government college was 227, and for scheduled caste it is 1226, that is 1226 rank, and then for scheduled tribe it was 2336, and for OBC category it was 226. So this was all about the information regarding the last year cutoff, last year the last rank which went into the government college. If you have any problem and you want to ask anything about the counseling criteria, you can just put it down in the comment section. And yes, of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as you can get many more dental related video on my channel. So stay tuned and just put it down in the comment section. Bye.